What are you doing, RR? Making ice cream. And you have a orange and strawberry on the top, and you have a macarons. Wow, and this is the one you make. Hindi ko na nabidyohan kanina, guys. Ito yung, Play-Doh. Ito yung ginagaya niya, Ayan. And here also, look. Wow. Play-Doh. Ayan, ginagamit niya. And then we can make another color of this. We can make blue one.
Mommy, so down is brown and up is
Up.
up.
And up is up.
White,
Yeah.
white.
Yeah. And there is another here. And saan yung may mga glass niya. Cute. Cute. You can put that one in your table now. Put it in your table. Slowly. Dalawa na daw ni sa yung table. Nakalat kay guys, Kalat kayong balay, Every day. You put in your table. Nara na ang iyang kuan. Yan muna yung breakfast, pancake. Na siya spaghetti. Kining mereng. Yan ko Asa naman ka? Where are you going? You make more? Put that there? Ay, katak yung balay, guys. Magbabay na sa kanila. Thank you for watching.